This is John. Describe John. Use an adjective to describe John. An adjective is a word that gives us a description about something or someone. One adjective is old. Our description is old. We can say, John is old. With an adjective, we frequently use to be. The order is to be plus adjective. John is old. We can also say, he is old. We already know to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. We can put an adjective after to be. To be plus adjective. Some examples. I am tired. You are nervous. He is tall. She is happy. It is round. We are cold. You are hot. They are angry. Tired, nervous, tall, happy, round, cold, hot, angry are adjectives. Adjectives give a description of something. Here we have John again. John is old. What is the opposite of old? Young. To make a negative sentence, we use to be plus not plus adjective. John is not young. So our examples from before of I am tired, you are nervous, he is tall, etc., they become I am not tired, you are not nervous. Remember, you can make a contraction of are not, which becomes aren't, and is not, which becomes isn't. So, you are not nervous or you aren't nervous. He is not tall or he isn't tall. She is not happy. It is not round. We are not cold. You are not hot. They are not angry. So this negative sentence is to be plus not plus adjective. Let's look at negative sentences using opposites. I am not sad. I am happy. Flowers aren't ugly. They are beautiful. Ice cream isn't hot. It is cold. Lemons aren't sweet. They are sour. This exercise isn't difficult. It is easy. A piano isn't light. It is heavy. Elephants aren't small. They are big. My shoes aren't clean. They are dirty. We can also make questions with to be and an adjective. He is happy. This is a sentence, an affirmative sentence. To make a question, we change the order of to be. Instead of he is, it becomes is he. Is he happy? And then you can give a short answer. Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Another example. She is nervous. To make this a question, it becomes, is she nervous? We change the order. And then you can give a short answer. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Another example. They are confused. To make this a question, it becomes, are they confused? And then you can give a short answer. Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Let's practice. Complete these sentences using is, isn't, are, or aren't. The answers will appear in 5 seconds. Click pause if you need more time. 1. The earth is round. 2. Diamonds aren't cheap. 3. Pillows are soft. 4. A balloon isn't heavy. 5. Turtles are slow. 6. Chocolate is sweet. 7. A rose isn't ugly. 8. Bananas aren't blue. Now, write the opposite of each sentence. Use to be plus adjective. For example, 1. The earth is round. The earth isn't square. The answers will appear in 5 seconds. Click pause if you need more time. 2. Diamonds aren't cheap. Diamonds are expensive. 3. Pillows are soft. Pillows aren't hard. 4. A balloon isn't heavy. A balloon is light. 5. Turtles are slow. Turtles aren't fast. 6. Chocolate is sweet. Chocolate isn't sour. 7. A rose isn't ugly. A rose is beautiful. 8. Bananas aren't blue. Bananas are yellow. Describe your city. Is your city large or small? Is your city old or modern? Is your city clean or dirty? Is your city dangerous or safe? Is your city boring or interesting? Tell us more about your city. Write your answers in the comments section. I hope this lesson was useful. If it was, click the like button. Have an awesome day.